A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel Time to Do. I hope you all are keeping good health, are smiling this time. So friends, today's topic is describe about brain drain. You all must have heard about brain drain. First we will discuss about its meaning. What is brain drain? When educated and skilled people are great property of a nation. They play a very important role in the growth and development of a country. But sometimes they feel neglected in their country because they are paid less compared to their skills. Some of them lacks in having facilities. Brain drain means substantial immigration as migration of individuals. In simple words, when very educated and skilled migrate to other countries for higher pays and facilities, that's known as brain drain. For example, a scientist is working for a developing country but he is paid less money, and sometime after a developed country is offering him a big package of money with so many facilities like home, car, etc. So he will choose over money and more facilities and will not miss the chance to move abroad. This is an example of brain drain. Similarly, other professionals like doctors, engineers, IT professionals are migrating to developed countries for better standard of living and facilities. Next, I have mentioned here, this has increased rapidly in last decade. It is usually done from citizens of developing country to developed countries. They migrate so that they can work in better conditions and earn more money. You can also say that if a scientist wants to study further or wants to experiment in better laboratories but his country is not providing him so many facilities or adequate funds, and a foreign country is offering him better laboratories and accommodation, then he will choose going to abroad. Next, I have mentioned that it is usually done from citizens of developing countries to developed countries. They migrate so that they can work in better conditions and earn more money. It has two effects. Similarly, as a coin has two sides, brain drain also have two sides, positive and negative. So here I have mentioned that positive is for developed countries and negative for developing countries. As they lose their human resources, they miss their best workers, and system will be run by less educated or less skilled people. That will affect the growth and development of a developing countries, because skilled labor or skilled and very educated persons are real property of a country and they work very hard for the development of a country. So friends, this is the explanation of brain drain. I hope you have understood. Now, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel for more video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, God bless you.